out there? This is Bob and Lou, and today is August 23rd already. We were just discussing that the year is almost gone. This will be the start of, this will be segment 1 of part 70 from the Two Old Guys Garage, Lou and Bob. And we're working on the insulation of the car. We've got quite a bit more done since the last video. As you can see, this part was done, but now we've got this, the sides, and we're about to cut the pieces to cover the wheel wells, and then that'll leave us with the left side firewall, which we can play with at will. So I thought I'd cover a little bit what we're doing, how we're doing this. This is craft paper that we're using to cut templates, and good old Sharpie pen to cut the pieces and then fit them in. And it's a little bit tricky because the stuff is so damn sticky. Basically what I do is work to a straight edge where possible along that side and this particular piece. This would be the driver's side wheel tub piece, and start peeling the back off where the straight edge alignment's going to be, and then, you know, kind of roll it out with your hands, get it stuck, and then peel the back off as you go further, which seems to be working all right. Anyway, the craft paper, by the way, this comes from good old Walmart, right?
Yeah.
But it's not in the hobby section.
No.
It's in the wrapping paper. And when you look it up, they call it wrapping paper, but then when you click on it, it's craft paper. Anyway, okay, I'm going to pause here, and we're going to continue with these pieces, and we'll come back in a little bit. So hang on out there. Catch you later. Bye-bye. We're back after a lengthy pause. All pieces for the floor have been cut, and we've just finished up using the AC aluminum duct tape, which is great stuff, to tape up all the cracks and seams. We've got that all done, and we just about have run out of tape, so we haven't completed from the emergency brake forward. We'll do that when we get another roll of tape. And I think for now, I'm going to end this segment. My back hurts, and I'm tired. Lou, anything to say?
No, it's getting there, slow but sure.
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah.
Looks good. So, yeah, we're satisfied with it at this point. I think it's looking okay. So, next, which will be segment 2, part 70, we'll finish doing the taping of all the seams. And then we still have the last part to do, which will be the firewall on the driver's side. But I think after doing all this, it'll probably be easy. Because we got a routine going, we know how to do it. Just takes a little time, be careful. Anyway, with that, we'll bid you all goodbye. Take care out there, we'll catch you later. Bye-bye. Recording, hi there. Bob and Lou at the Two Old Guys Garage. It is August 24th. This would be part 70, segment 2. We have finally completed all the insulation of the steel inside the car. Firewall floor, back floor. Everything's all taped nice and pretty. We just installed the seat belts. We have removed the throttle linkage to do the left side. That's done. Throttle linkage, you hooked it up, Lou?
I'm gonna hook it up.
Yeah, okay, you gotta hook up the pull cable. And then we are going to, put the seats in?
No, I'll do the seats later.
Okay, we'll do.
I'm gonna work on mounting that deal in.
What deal?
The boot.
Oh, the boot?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, the seats will drop right in. No problem there.
Yeah, you got the holes all figured out.
Everything's already there.
So, the Silver Palace.
Silver Ghost.
Yeah. a view from this side. That'll make a difference, hopefully. Hey, Lou.
Yes, sir.
I think later on, now that we're off of the floor and the inside, we should put some spare pieces in here and here. Don't hurt, you got it, right? We still have some. And then I was thinking the other day, the insulation material is 2 foot wide, right?
Yeah.
So we talked yesterday about maybe putting 2 2-foot strips in the roof.
Yeah. Right over.
You know, run them center line.
Yeah, run center line, and then from about yay to about yay. Just where they see that they put a center piece in there. Originally, these don't come with a roof in them.
Yeah, it's like the old, like my 32, 34,
Yeah, right.
34,
Yeah.
up to 30, 34, 35 they did steel. Okay, so that'll be next. And I think at this point, I'm going to end this, and I'm going to take a look and see what we got yesterday in the can, and maybe publish part 70, just to get it out there. So with that, we'll bid you so long for this one. Take care, everybody out there. Happy whatever. All right, bye-bye. Hi, this is Bob and Lou at the Two Old Guys Garage. Today is August 27th, 2025. This will be segment 3 of part 70, I believe. And we got some pretty good news. Recently in a video, I showed the 3 different types of thermostats, which was a surprise to me at this late age in my life, seeing I've been a mechanic for many years. So here comes another one. This one is a lot more important. We did change out the thermostat to the 160 free flow, and I kind of as suspected it didn't really make much difference, if any at all. Right, Lou?
Nah.
No. Okay, so back to the drawing board. Started doing some research and wondered about the correct spacing of the AC condenser in front of the radiator. And research indicates that you do not want to have the condenser up tight to the radiator. You want to leave at least a minimum of 1/8 of an inch to 1 inch without going too far out, because if you go too far out, you get air turbulence between the condenser and the front radiator. So, in our case, the condenser had been mounted flush and tight to the radiator. And what Lou did is he moved it out and he put in 1/2 inch spacers, right?
Yeah, about 1/2 inch.
Half-inch
so there's
space.
about a 1/4 inch gap in here now.
Okay. So now, if you see, there is a gap between the condenser and the radiator. And tell us what difference that made, Lou.
Yeah, I did. I took it out yesterday and drove the hell out of it without the air running. And it never got over 180. And then I came home and then I took it back out again with the air on. And and she stayed right there where it was, about right below 180 and I pushed it hard. And it did the trick.
Okay, and granted, yesterday was not quite...
it wasn't that hot of a day.
It was probably 10 degrees less.
Yeah, it was about 10 degrees.
89, 80, 90 degrees. However, the difference is remarkable. So here's proof again that even though you're old, like Lou and I, you can learn something new. He did check his older F-150 Ford truck, and the condenser was about 1 inch out from the radiator. So anyway, all the difference in the world, and that kind of sums up and finishes the cooling problems associated with installing an air conditioner on it. So what we're going to do here is we're going to pause, and we're going to look at taking the rest of the insulating material and using it on the interior roof of the car, right, Lou?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to go to that, and I'm pausing here, and we'll be back later on. Hang in there. Ah, back. Excuse me, same day. All right. You can see what we've done. We took what was left of the insulating roll, rolled it out, divided it in two, cut it, and then installed it in the roof, which should make a big bit of difference. Oh, hang on a second. All right, back. Sorry, I had to clear my throat. Okay, so that pretty much is it. Have to put the seat back. Lou, what else we got on the menu? Anything?
What's that, Bubba?
What else we got on the menu?
That's about it. I just put that grill shell back in. That'll be a job.
Yeah, and then the other seat, right?
Yeah, I put the other seat in.
Oh. Oof. So, not much of a contortionist this day.
Oh man, I know. I get the same way. Shit.
All right, so anyway, that looks like it's about it. Lou, as he just said, is going to reinstall the grill now that we've solved the high temperature running problem. And let's see, what else? I mentioned that we're in the queue before for the hot rod shop up north somewhere, northwest, to form a one-piece aluminum hood. Not the side panels. We're going to probably stop about here. I assume we'll use Zeus fasteners. And we have purchased what's called the cowl and the grill lacing, which is this material. This will be installed here as a support for the hood. And interestingly enough, this material is the same material that would go on my cowl on my 32 Ford and on my grill. And this will be what, probably pop riveted?
Yeah, I guess.
Just you go in the center.
I'm gonna let them fuck with it. I ain't gonna.
Yeah. Okay, so in addition to being in the queue for the hood, we're now also in the queue for the upholstery guy, right, Lou?
Yeah.
Yeah, and he's one that we got off of Christian Cruz's website. And we thought we lucked out because he's about 1.5 miles from where we are. However, having contacted him to get in the queue, we found out that he's moved up north. Anyway, what he's going to do is what, Lou? The
Just
carpet?
I'll just have him put carpets in, make carpets in, all for the whole thing, and then some door panels.
Make 2 door panels.
Yeah, that'll be it.
All right, well, that's good. Okay, so we're waiting on that. And except for that, I see you got the boot in.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks good. Looks good. All right, so I think at that point I'm going to close this segment 3, part 70, and when I go home later on today, I'll probably publish part 70, which covers predominantly the addition of insulation.
Yeah, big difference up there.
Yeah, the other thing, Lou, you said when you were out this time, that's cycling?
Yeah.
Previous to any of this, it was running all the time. But now as he drives around and the AC is on, you can see it turning off and on, which it's supposed to do. So we're doing okay. With that, I'll bid you all goodbye. Take care, everybody. We appreciate your subscription, and we appreciate your viewing and your comments. So bye-bye for now.